I hope this video helps. Please check out the playlist, Evidence for Christianity, Evidence for the Bible, End Times, and the Book of Revelation. I'll leave links in the description for all four. Enjoy. If you find a strange hole like this in your yard, don't automatically assume it's from a pest. You may just have a sprinkler line broken or something. You may just have a sprinkler line broken. I will leave an Amazon shopping list link in the description with all the items and tools that I use in this video. I am an Amazon associate, so I earn from any qualifying purchases when you use my link, and that helps support my channel. So I dug out around the sprinkler head that was near the hole that had the water coming out, and found this. Broke off. Rendell, go ahead and pull that thing off of there. Twist it real hard. There you go. Twist. Twist.
It's too heavy.
Okay. But yeah, there's the hole. Yeah. Luckily, the sprinkler head is fine. It's just the adapter that's broke. I'm going to have to get a new one of those. Figure out how to get the piece that broke off into the pipe out. It is threaded, so I should be able to unscrew it from there somehow. Don't know how yet. I just got a little Nerf bullet that I stuck down in there to keep any more dirt from getting in there while I'm gone.
Yes.
Yes. So I got this big flathead screwdriver. If I had one that was a little bigger, it would kind of wedge itself in there, but this one isn't quite that big. 5/16 made in USA. Just kind of got it wedged against the edge and at an angle, and just start turning. There we go. There it is, it's out. Gotta get the new adapter in there. So I got a zip up plastic bag I'm gonna put over the top of it. And I got a rubber band that I'm gonna put over that to keep it from getting any dirt down in the hole. Alright, time to get the adapter out of the sprinkler. Finally got my adapter. It's a 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch MNPN male adapter riser for the sprinkler. Before I go installing anything, I'm going to go ahead and flush the system. Let's go ahead and turn the sprinkler on with everything uncovered and shoot the water out. Here we go. Well, that sort of backfired since everything's downhill here, and this is where it drains, and it just filled up the hole with water. So as you can see, I made the problem worse. Now I'm going to try to just suck the dirt out of there. Got some squirt guns from the kids. Alright, Rendell, time. That actually worked very well. It's really clean inside there. So I'm going to wrap the threads in Teflon tape because I don't want it leaking while it's inside the hole, and making another hole down in there that will weaken the support of the sprinkler head if somebody steps on it. So when you do this, you want to wrap it in the same way that you would be screwing on a nut. Alright, let's put it on the sprinkler head. Alright, that's on there tight. Now I'm just going to hand screw it into the pipe. Depending on what type of sprinkler head you have, make sure you take it apart and clean it out. All cleaned out, and now I'm going to just screw it in by hand. And if I need to adjust the position of this sprinkler head I can just take it out of this part, pull it out, turn it, and then screw it back in. So I'll be okay there. Everything looks like it's sealed up good, no leaks. Spraying the house, but I'll get that adjusted. Well, got it adjusted back to where it was before. And we just had a beautiful thunderstorm. Stops right there. Perfect. Just like new. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you want to connect with me, I have a public group on MeWe called Share Your Trade. I'll leave a link of that in the description. And if you want to support my channel, you can leave me a super thanks below. Or you can join Robinhood through a link that I'll leave in the description. And we'll both get a free stock. Thanks for watching.